Our next guest says Bitcoin is stuck in no man's land, and there's one key level it needs to pass for a real comeback to happen. Let's head off the charts with FundStrat's Robert Slimer. Robert, what are you looking at?
Great, thanks, Melissa. So let's take a look at the chart. I think there's some key points here. If we go back to the action that we've seen through the late part of 2017 and 2018, going all the way back through 16, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, whoops, higher lows here. Then we come into this point here, right around 7 on the show. We were talking about 7,000 being very, very critical support. We're big fans of the 15-day moving average as a proxy for trend. We can see all the way through the late 2017 through 18. It's not perfect, but as a proxy for whether the trend is positive or negative, it's pretty good. And that was one of the reasons when we talked about this 7,800 level being a very critical resistance level that Bitcoin had to get through in order to reverse that downtrend. And that 7,000 now is a series of higher lows being broken, and by definition, you're now starting to see lower highs. You have a downtrend in place. And again, Bitcoin's now below that trend line. This level here, right around 6,000, 5,800 is absolutely critical support. A break of that, I think it takes Bitcoin down to 5,500. And that takes you all the way back to that trading range in here between 5,000 and 5,500. These downtrends, again, this takes us back to the beginning of May. This is the May-June downtrend. That's the 15-day moving average represented on a 4-hour chart. And here again, that's that 7,000 level, or 7,800 level that was so important, and that critical support level, first at 7,500, then at 7,000. That's broken. So now what? What do you do? It really is a no man's land from a trading standpoint. I think if you're a very short-term trader, it's just around that 5,800, 6,000 level. And then the key resistance level that I think Bitcoin has to get through is around the 15-day moving average. That's 63 to 6,400. If it can rally through that, I think you've got a chance that Bitcoin is going to start to turn. Until then, the downtrend's intact. You have to respect that downtrend. You've got to wait for confirmation from a price standpoint before implementing long side trades.